Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to walk you through our newest feature at Hipa, the position tracking chart. This tool helps you visualize how your content updates impact your Google search rankings. I'll explain to you how it works and then demonstrate how to connect your Google Search Console account to get the most out of it. Let me show you where to find this new feature. Once you log into your Hipa.ai account, you'll see the position tracking chart in two places. First, it appears on your dashboard, giving you an overview of all your pages. Second, you can see individual charts for each URL when you click on a specific article. Now, let's break down what you're seeing in this chart. This blue line shows your URL's position in Google search results. Remember, lower numbers are better. It means you're closer to the top of search results. Notice how the line moves up and down over time. This reflects how your page ranking changes. At this example, you can see that before we implemented regular updates, this page was ranking around position 90. After the update, Google indexed the URL and the position improved to 30. And after the next update, reached positions 9 to 10. These markers as Hipa logo show when updates to this blog post were published. Each marker represents a specific update to your article. You'll also see future scheduled updates that will be automatically published on a scheduled date. This gives you a complete timeline of your content update strategy. This marker indicates today's date. These Google icons indicate when Google last crawled and indexed your page. This is important information because after each update, Google needs to index your refreshed content. Sometimes there's a delay between when you update your content and when Google indexes it. If you notice that Google hasn't visited your page after an update, you can manually request indexing to speed up the process. You can do it by clicking Inspect URL in Google Search Console. This will redirect you to your Google Search Console account, where you can let Google know that your page has changed and request indexing. So, to get the most out of this feature, you need to connect your Google Search Console account. And let me show you how to do that. Go to your Hipa settings and select the Integrations section. Click Create New Integration and choose Google Search Console from the drop-down list. Click Connect, and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Select the Google account associated with your Search Console. Grant Hipa the necessary permissions to access your Search Console data. Click Allow, and that's it. Now you'll see a successful connection status on the integration settings. After that, go to your Hipa dashboard to see the charts in action. Note that our system updates data once daily. If you connect after today's update, you'll see your charts populated tomorrow. The best part? This functionality is available to all Hipa users for free. This feature does not trigger an AI action, so it doesn't use Hipa credits. We recommend importing all your pages into the system to monitor their positions simultaneously. The best option to import all your blog post URLs is to use our import feature. This feature lets you add your article URLs in bulk, dozens or hundreds at once, instead of manually adding each one. The import feature can even read URLs directly from your sitemap. After importing your post URLs to Hipa, you will see a visualization of the current status for each URL and how your pages perform in Google search results. So, summarizing, the position tracking chart is a powerful tool that gives you unprecedented visibility into how your content updates affect your search rankings. By using this feature effectively, you can make data-driven decisions about your content strategy and see tangible improvements in your SEO performance. Remember, this functionality is available to all Hipa users at no additional cost. Thank you for watching this guide. Please try this feature with your sites and let us know how it works for you. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. We are always here to help. See you next time.